In this video, I'm going to be giving you a brief overview as to what App Inventor 2 is for all of you that might not know. So, what is App Inventor 2? App Inventor 2 is a free drag and drop system used for creating Android mobile applications. In short, using App Inventor 2, you can create an Android application without programming a single line of code. App Inventor 2 consists primarily of three main parts: the components editor, the blocks editor, and the AI2 companion app and emulator. Great, so let's go over those three parts. The components editor. The components editor is where you place all the items or components you want to include in your application. Once a component is added, you can customize it to suit the needs of your application. Usually, you'll be adding many different components to your applications. Some components you may work with in App Inventor 2 include buttons, images, labels, and more. There are also more interesting components that allow you to access various phone functions, such as the sound, camcorder, GPS, texting, and Bluetooth components. The components editor is primarily concerned with the layout of your application. The blocks editor. The blocks editor is where you will add advanced functionality to your applications. You add this advanced functionality in the blocks editor by combining blocks, which acts very similarly to Lego pieces. By combining these easy to configure blocks, you are performing a task very similarly to writing code. AI2 companion app and emulator. App Inventor 2 includes a companion application which makes it very easy for you to test your Android applications without fussing over wires, obscure files, or connection issues. You very simply connect your Android device to the same Wi-Fi network that you are using App Inventor 2 on, and with the press of a button, you can test your applications easily and efficiently. For those that don't have an Android device, you can also very easily test your App Inventor 2 apps using the App Inventor 2 emulator in conjunction with the new AI Starter application.